Welcome to Prosperity Path Accelerate Wealth with Mr. Malik. In our last video, we discussed in detail financial freedom and 3 proven steps required to achieve this independence. If you have missed that video, please go and watch that because it can be very helpful for you to understand the whole idea behind this FIRE, which is Financial Independence Retire Early movement. So let us move to this video in which we are going to discuss 10 strategies to build passive income and achieve financial independence. My future wealthy friends. The concept of passive income has been around for decades, but it has become increasingly popular in recent years as people seek to achieve financial freedom and live the life they desire. Let's take a look at 3 case examples of individuals who have achieved financial freedom through passive income. Pat Flynn. Pat Flynn is an entrepreneur, author, and podcaster who has built his fortune through passive income streams. He started his online business in 2008, and today his passive income streams generate over $150,000 per month. His income sources include affiliate marketing, course sales, and advertising. Scott and Mindy. Scott and Mindy are a couple who achieved financial freedom through real estate investing. They started investing in real estate in 2008, and within 10 years, they had built a portfolio of over 20 properties. Today, their rental income covers all their living expenses, and they have achieved financial freedom. Dividend Growth Investor. Dividend Growth Investor is a blogger who has achieved financial freedom through dividend investing. He started investing in dividend-paying stocks in 2008 and has been able to build a portfolio that generates enough passive income to cover all his living expenses. It is good news for all of us that with the rise of the digital age, there are now more opportunities than ever before to create passive income streams. So, let's dive into the strategies that can help you build passive income and achieve financial independence. Don't miss out the ends for plans to achieve excellence. The first strategy is rental properties. Rental properties are a classic way to generate passive income. By owning a rental property, you can collect rent from tenants every month, and the property can appreciate in value over time. Of course, owning rental properties comes with its own set of challenges, such as finding good tenants and dealing with maintenance and repairs. But if done right, rental properties can be an excellent source of passive income. Strategy 2 is dividend stocks. Investing in dividend stocks can be another great way to generate passive income. Dividend stocks are stocks that pay regular dividends to their shareholders. By investing in these stocks, you can receive a steady stream of income without having to do anything other than own the shares. Of course, investing in the stock market comes with risks, so it's essential to do your research and invest wisely. The third strategy is peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending platforms allow you to lend money to other individuals or businesses and receive interest on your investment. These platforms can be a great way to generate passive income, but like any investment, there is risk involved. Make sure you thoroughly research the platform and borrowers before investing your money. Strategy 4 is to create an online course. In today's digital age, creating an online course can be a lucrative way to generate passive income. If you have expertise in a particular area, you can create and sell a course on platforms like Udemy or Coursera. Once the course is created, you can earn passive income from sales without having to do anything further. The fifth strategy is going to be very vast, and that is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting other people's products and earning a commission for any sales made through your unique affiliate link. This can be an excellent way to generate passive income if you have a significant online following and can promote products that align with your audience's interests. Strategy 6 is to create a mobile app. Creating a mobile app can be an excellent way to generate passive income. If you have programming skills or can hire someone who does, you can create an app and monetize it through ads or in-app purchases. Once the app is created, it can continue to generate income for you without any further effort on your part. Strategy 7 is about creating a membership site. Creating a membership site can be another way to generate passive income. By creating a site where members pay a monthly fee to access exclusive content or services, you can generate recurring income without having to do anything other than maintain the site. The 8th strategy is to create a YouTube channel. Creating a YouTube channel can be an excellent way to generate passive income if you have a talent or expertise in a particular area. By creating engaging content and monetizing it through ads, you can earn a steady stream of income without having to do anything other than create videos. Strategy 9 is to invest in real estate investment trusts, REITs. REITs allow you to invest in real estate without actually owning property. By investing in a REIT, you can earn a steady stream of passive income from the rent collected by the properties in the trust. Last but not least strategy is to write an ebook. Writing an ebook can be another great way to generate passive income. If you have expertise in a particular field or niche, you can share your knowledge with others by writing an ebook and self-publishing it on platforms like Amazon Kindle or Barnes & Noble Nook. Once you publish your ebook, you can earn royalties every time someone purchases or downloads it. To write a successful ebook, you need to have a clear and specific topic, thorough research, and good writing skills. You can also hire a professional editor to ensure your ebook is polished and free of errors. In addition to earning passive income from book sales, writing an ebook can also position you as an authority in your field and help you establish a brand or business around your expertise. So we can draw a conclusion that building passive income streams is essential for achieving financial independence and creating a life of freedom and abundance. By implementing these 10 strategies, you can start building passive income streams that will generate income for years to come. Remember, building passive income takes time and effort, but the rewards are ultimately worth it. If you do not know how to achieve these things, then you are at very right point, my friends. This is the point which will keep us together, as I am going to teach you so many things via this channel that gradually you will feel elevated both skill-wise and personality-wise. I hope you found it informative and helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos on personal finance and wealth building.